took the cake, beat, mushed it in his face, told him happy birthday. A lot of us on in July. Oh, Destiny's on the 17th, Lorette on the 24th. Hello, y'all. Today is my birthday. Somebody, hey, Regina just texted, told me happy birthday. I love how you can see these things when they pop up on your phone. I'm trying to fix my hair. But I'm sitting here, y'all. Look what my husband just came and gave me. Some Welch's sparkling white grape juice cocktail from Concentrate. Do y'all like this? This is probably what my strongest drink. Hey, this is my wine for today. My Welch's. Happy birthday to me. They better have me a chocolate cake for my birthday. I'm just enjoying my birthday. Y'all see, D-Saw hooked me up with these color. I'm just loving this color, y'all.
More color?
Baby, don't play. Don't play. Ooh, D-Saw. So when y'all come to Memphis, y'all let D-Saw put y'all through the door, kick down the door, streets in the hair. But today is my birthday. I'm gonna take y'all and let y'all celebrate on my nice journey with me. I just want to say thank you to all of you that have sent me all that lovely cash on Cash App. You know you can't go wrong with Cash App. Just thank you. Thank you. I do appreciate it. I love it. I'm learning how to hold this camera at this angle. All the Destiny's, y'all know she always talking about me because she's part of my editing team. So I have to try to get it right for her and D-Side so it's not hard for them to edit. 50 Cent. Paulette, that's y'all. Wait a minute. She's saying that like possible 57, Paulette. Yes. We are. Me and Jackie the same age. Ain't Jackie 57? No. I think Lucy Jackie 56. I just talked to her. Or did she say we was the same age?
What is this?
You want that one?
Yeah.
You know you can have that one. Happy birthday, Mama. May today be filled with sunshine and warmth, smiles, smiles, laughter, ha ha ha, and love. I hope you have a very, B-E-R-R, a very happy birthday. Thank you for all that you are. I love you. Your daughter. Thank you, Put. And because I'm taking too long, Lincoln got some Lucky Charms cereal. You hungry, Lincoln? Got cereal?
Lincoln.
I'm white.
Wait. You didn't boomerang it or anything.
Oh, boomerang me, honey.
I had to teach my mama, y'all.
My
phone
phone
just died, so my camera.
Football.
That's better, yeah. My camera likes this slide.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, crack the door and there we
Oh,
go.
yeah, that pool's so pretty. Okay, Lincoln, tell Grandma happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Give Grandma a birthday hug. Oh, the best birthday present ever. Look at Grandma balloons, Lincoln. What we got? What we got? Strawberry.
That one.
Which one? That one? That's the only one you want? You don't want that one?
This one.
Where?
Okay.
That's the one. Oh, he wants that one that's got speckles.
Let me see.
Lincoln said he wants that one. That's why he wants.
Happy birthday,
Lincoln noticed it.
Happy birthday, Mom!
Oh, wait a minute, baby.
I was waiting on this notice.
Wait a minute. I just noticed this. The pineapple is a 5 and a 7. Show out. Show out.
So out.
My birthday present better than yours. Yeah, baby.
You like it, Suki?
I love it. It's tied up. They got it wrapped. A whole lot. Get my purse. Wait a minute, baby. I got $100 bill. I got to post a picture with all my stuff. How I do this?
No.
You just make a slide.
And show everything.
You put it on multiple and get a slide.
Oh.
Yeah,
It's
carousel.
open like this.
I'm about to show me how to do
Look,
it.
Betty.
Happy birthday.
To you.
Happy birthday, dude.
Grandma.
Happy birthday.
To you.
Yay. Good boy got a 5 and a 7.
Come on, look it.
5 and a 7, baby.
Cinematic angles,
Don't
cute.
play.
Oh, I'm so sad, Grandma.
Girl, they making my 5 fall down.
Look at the 5. I thought it was S.
It's supposed to be a 5. I guess that's how they put
You
it.
got it?
You can pull out a screenshot at any time.
Mom, I don't make no harm, but can I just have this right there?
No! She didn't even take a photo.
Take a picture.
Okay, let me
I'll
get
take
your
you a
photo.
5 picture.
Thumbnail. Well, this won't be the thumbnail because you gotta put. Girl, did she just? Your $100 bill fell. Boom,
Look
put your
how
whole.
y'all feel thick.
It's really hurting me.
Move it out your face a little bit.
She had her face like she an ugly woman or something.
I know.
You look good
Like this one right here.
so far.
Oh, I love it, Boom. I love it, Dominique. I love it. Now there's $100 bill. You can't have it. Yeah, it's $100. You know that's $100. How do you know that's $100 bill?
Put in your pocket, Mom.
Please, put it in my pocket.
Sure, put this in your pocket.
He not want me.
Hey, Lee don't want that in his pocket.
Oh, I should have took a photo with you today because I never have pictures with you or anything.
And we counselors.
Counts a gang, baby. Hold on. Alright, you filming? Go ahead.
Yeah.
Oh, like, you don't accept change. We straight dollars around here.
Give me a strawberry.
Which one, Boo?
Cold. You keep a square, baby.
Yo, give me a brown strawberry, Link.
A brown square, baby. Okay.
No, that one. Lily.
Give me a brown one.
Can I have that pineapple?
Wait a minute now.
This on
Got
it.
going?
Right here. Y'all see my beautiful birthday salad? I told y'all my gifts better than y'all's and my husband better than y'all. My dressing going in this grade or the Alfredo. Dressing and cheese going in here. Bacon bits. Isn't that beautiful?
It would be if I can eat.
No, baby. No,
Well, you
child.
be so loud. Oh my God.
And we pray. And we pray.
It's
So
too
I got.
Sing it, Lincoln.
I can see everything.
It's too I got.
And we pray.
Every praise to our God. You sound so good,
Sing it,
Lincoln.
Lincoln.
Lincoln's still in the
Here
show.
comes the Alfredo. Here comes the Alfredo.
Oh God. Every praise. Every
Why don't you want milk in that cereal?
Oh my God.
Y'all see
Sure
what I
said
tried
where
to put milk
y'all
in there.
at.
Y'all feel him say it's my birthday. You like
It's recorded.
he's on the phone. Do it later.
You want to do it?
I gotta save
Hold
these.
on, let me save
He
it. Let me
ready.
save
You
it,
do
Lincoln.
it, Mom.
Come on, Lincoln.
Yay, look.
1, 2, 3. Come on, do it. One more time.
Y'all ready? Catch me now, cause ain't no going back. Woo! Same thing for last until. Oh my God, what's this? Yeah. Woo!
I'm hoping me to live up to your
Give us a
expectations.
surprise. Unwrap your present before I open this envelope.
Hey.
So we're gonna start right here. We're gonna start right
I
here.
said-
Unwrap it. Unwrap it. Help Grandma.
It's a candle.
Yes! Let's smell it. Come on, let's smell it. Wait, we gotta take the top off and smell
They
it.
can just smell it and put it on the thing.
Let's take the top off. Let's see if it smells good. Oh, I like how it smells. Does it smell? Does it smell good, Lincoln?
Yeah.
What does it smell like?
Smell like Welch's. Give me some of them Welch's,
Uh-huh.
That's a candle.
It smells like a candle.
Yeah.
It is.
I guess that's why I got
Cherry.
the tripod. All I gotta do is
Smell it
twist
like.
here.
Oh, it
Oh,
smells
they moving right along, man.
Well, I don't move right along. You get a birthday once a year. Hold on. Don't move right along. Beautiful design bag. See how it matches?
Notice how the tissue matches the bag.
Right.
Very, very great detailing.
So this means that I can do what?
You can recycle.
I can recycle. Yeah. Not re-gift,
If y'all
but
see this,
recycle.
if y'all-
So if y'all get this bag and this paper,
Recycle bag.
you see how it's not wrinkled out?
We
Right.
see that nice detailing. One of them did.
Who is this from?
Click the code,
Yeah.
bud.
Weller's Original Chewing Caramels.
That gift right there is from Dominique Chalmers.
Oh my God, Julia told you I like these.
Yes.
Julia told her.
No, I saw you were telling how to perform them. Keep open, ma'am, please.
I'm trying to guess.
Thank you. You're not
Oh.
going to guess what that is.
Oh, wait, that's for my instant cleaner.
That is for coffee.
This can hold real coffee.
Yes, ma'am.
Classy.
You see,
Sip coffee.
No.
Oh, come on. Lee, we gonna back all night.
Open it, huh?
It's running now. My bad. We missed a few things.
Oh, tell them this is a tradition for our family.
Meanwhile, that's what I'm typing on the story right now.
Okay, a gift for you. Enjoy your gift from Destiny Charmers.
Was it a Louis bag?
Oh no, this bag's so pretty. You
I
just
said,
said
I just hope you live up to expectations of what you
keep your
think
gift
it
a
is.
surprise. Unwrap your present before opening this.
She loves the bag, y'all.
I love the bag, baby.
Girl, what's that? A Louis?
I don't know because of nothing else. This bag is, you know how you got to have, like you have to take a pair of shoes out when you need a little bag. And you got to get no paper bag, baby. You can use this bag.
Girl, that's dressed like a Gucci. Is that a Gucci or a Louis?
I don't know this bag so fine. The bag is just.
Okay, don't open it.
Why?
The vlog is over.
Open it. Why you say don't open it?
It's not,
Kabox. What?
I wish I could hold this camera. I don't like
What
this
else?
stationary
Cabbage.
shot.
Oh, a bath caddy. For all that junk on my tube.
How you know that what it was?
It said right here.
I see a box.
She went in my bathroom with all of that. And she said, "Ooh, Mom, you just got this stuff every which way." Oh. I feel that.
Do you want to open it right now?
Open
I
it.
want to see it. Is it a
You can
bath
see
caddy?
it.
Open it. Yeah, it's yours.
Huh? I can see
You
it.
can
What?
see it right there. It's flesh.
Don't show it to her. Let her open her own.
Oh, y'all got one.
This one I found.
Don't tell her, T.
You know what I thought this was? I'm going to tell you the truth what I thought it
A
was.
Louis. It's
No.
like a Louis.
No. I said I was seeing one of y'all was going to get it.
What? Tell me, because I can order it now.
No, I thought it was a spice one.
Oh, you did say you wanted that.
I didn't feel like that was a gift to you, though. That's just like something you
It's a
feel
gift
that.
to me.
That's
As
not.
bad as I want one.
All right, well, I added to the cart tonight.
No, that you all got me something.
Why you gotta open from the front?
What I do with it? I'm saying, I thought it stood up in the shower or something.
I guess trying to do a demonstration this and tell me.
If you don't want to open it entirely, we
That's
can
what I
show
just
you
said.
hers.
Would I be able to put it back in there?
It's up to you. If you want to
I'm
wait
saying about open it.
That's why I said once you get high to open it.
If you can put it on your
I
vlog,
can
I can still put it in the vlog. Yeah.
Well, I did it. I can show you right here what it is.
Ooh,
I'll show
it
you.
look like it's so classic.
Sorry.
I don't want to break it.
That's the game.
You can't break
for
it.
taking
Let me
turn
see.
on her.
What's it? Oh my God. We've been eating. Cause it's supposed to start raining at 6 what time is it?
Figured I would put that in the background.
To me.
Can you get a copyright claim on birthday music? Hold on there. If you open gifts in front of the TV, search birthday. I'm trying to put my robe like that.
Isn't it lovely? Isn't it wonderful? I'm gonna gain so many calories.
Yeah, if she would have stopped right there, she'd
Is that a blank cake? Like B-U-N-D-T?
It's a birthday cake.
Yeah, I know a little
I'm gonna
something.
gain so many calories. Julius,
Read the card. It's a card.
Wait. How do you gain calories?
It's a card, Mama. Mama,
Don't act like you
it's
don't
a
know
card.
Never,
Mama.
Pounds? I never heard
It's a
about that
card on
gain
the
calories.
I'm okay, but cake. Oh, so who cake? So I'm gonna be nothing but cake, nothing but cake. I like that. Lemon. You're so round.
That one is
It's like so round.
It says. It does say that. You're so round.
For real. It's so round.
It says that.
Who put that? It said that for real.
It does. You're so round. Your taste profound. Yet sadly, you'll never stick around.
Who came up with that?
Man, somebody gets a really big fat person in cake. They read that first line. You're so round.
Edit her own content.
Happy birthday, Mama. I love you, Junior. Oh, thank you.
Mommy.
Thank you, Lily. We're going to be snacking all night, with
Lemon cake.
Look at your say.
This lemon cake.
I saw it say right here lemon.
What my salt and pepper is?
A nigga cake.
Nigga cake.
Are y'all getting the photos of me on your phone?
I'm more of a vlogger. Ma, I gotta hold this for Destiny now.
And I got,
I'm finna go cut the
oh, she got my other stuff, the way.
What's that?
Chicken Alfredo.
Oh,
What about you these well? You know you can read.
Get them straight
you
on.
can't, I don't know.
Let me see your key to your gate.
Because I'm already open.
It is.
Supposed to be. What you gonna do?
This camera is a little heavy, put. Oh, shucks. Kind of pick a thing behind. Take two.
Don't have a cork, but we're gonna try to pop it.
Bro, I don't know how to open them.
Boom!
Why you putting that stuff in your food? Pop the bottom.
Try it. Oh, try it.
Ma, what is you doing, girl?
I got to get the stuff off.
Oh. Now that's just one you gotta drink out.
Shake it up.
Don't shake.
Ooh, I thought y'all said y'all wanted.
Yeah, honey, this champagne. Pop this ball. Now mop it up. Drink out of it. Ma, drink it. I said that drink it. Hurry up, drink it. Like some
Boo,
champagne.
let Boo shake water.
Like
Drink
some
it.
champagne.
You know what I did? I took the cake beat, mushed it in his face, told him happy birthday.
Niggas in the party looking at me like I'm bugging. I saw that nigga mad love, B.
Took the cake. Man, you put it right in his face.
Whole cake.
Give me a cook.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday. I drunk out this one, y'all open one.
I sure want to say that.
I would just like to say that I have the best children and husband in the world, the best gifts, the best food. All my gifts are so personalized. They know I love
What
chocolate
kind of ice
cake.
you feel?
My husband, no, don't you see me talk? Y'all see these songs.
I'm
This
sorry.
is my moment, my birthday. Chocolate cake, chicken out.
Yeah, my head hurt. I undid it.
Chocolate cake, chicken Alfredo, salad made to taste, shrimp to put on top of my Alfredo, fresh garlic bread, Dominique all up in my
Popping bottles,
all up in my sparkling Welch's.
Nah, ma, just
And
like
then-
your father.
She's giving me a plastic glass. Give me a glass,
What you want?
baby. You
So
don't
you got your
drink.
plastic cup.
You gave me a plastic cup. I need glass. Y'all, what's wrong with Dominique O'Shea? It's in the house. I'll
She
show you.
need glass.
Huh?
Dominique Lachey ain't got no class.
Hey Siri.
Hi, Dominique.
Sing happy birthday. I'm not much of a singer, but here's the playlist Happy Birthday.
Oh, they ain't gonna give me no copyright claim.
Olive Garden is my favorite restaurant to eat in. My most favorite. So my husband gave me Olive Garden at home, COVID free, in the kitchen. I have all the shrimp I want on my Alfredo. And I can go back to the store and get some more if I want more. Give me my salt and pepper shaker. I ain't got the Olive Garden salt and pepper, don't play. Olive Garden at home for my birthday. Woohoo! Thank you! Man, this potato stuff bomb diggity, ain't it?
Now, tell him, how old did you turn today?
57.
Which means what?
I'm a full grown woman. Happy birthday to me. Bubbly, bubbly.
Look at your mama.
Let me put this on my Instagram. Hold on. Y'all know I'm in the high Instagram.
On your story, not your page.
She put everything on her page. I'm gonna go through
Wow.
your phone and clean your page if you want
I
to
did.
post
We
it.
cleaned it up.
Where she cleaned it up?
Don't
She
play.
got her on. She
You gotta work on your Instagram.
You ain't finished.
How I add to? Oh, okay.